name is Joanna. I am a movement coach for at least 15 years now. I have dedicated my life to teach people how to move better so they're pain-free and have a better life. Movement is so important because it can help you do the smallest thing that you think that is not that important, picking up a pen from the floor, or it can help you do something extreme like climbing Mount Everest, for example. Why would you not want to be agile, mobile, and be able to do whatever you can put your mind into? If you would like to learn how to move properly and utilize your whole body, please follow along into my classes to learn how to do that. This class will be teaching you a few exercises for your lower back that you can do at home with no equipment and not too much risk. They're very safe. So please go on and enjoy. Hello. I am sure you're wondering why you have lower back pain, neck pain, or shoulder pain. Well, guess what? This is connected to sitting down all day long, especially now that we're working from home. Let me take you through a few exercises that can relieve and make you feel much better very quickly. Okay? So, first, we're going to start on our back. Having feet hip width apart and in line with our knees. Okay? We'll have our palms facing the ceiling. Try to relax and let the spine touch the floor. And from here, we're going to take the knees from side to side for 10 times. Every time we drop our knees, we want to inhale, exhale, and then come back to the center and to the other side. We'll do this 10 times. Every time we drop the knees to the side, we try to go a bit further. Always listen to your body and trust how far it can go and do not push it further. Once you finish your 10 reps, then we're going to inhale, exhale, and we're going to start tucking the pelvic floor, which means bringing the hips towards your belly button, and then trying to tilt the pelvic floor, which means pushing the hips towards the heels. So we're going to inhale, exhale, tuck the pelvic floor, inhale, push the pelvic floor towards the feet, exhale, pull the pelvic floor in. We're going to do this also 10 times. Take your time, focus on pushing the spine down and allowing all the air to come out of your belly. After we finish this, we're going to go into our glute bridges. We are going to use what we just learned. So first we'll tug our pelvic floor, and then we inhale, exhale, and lift the bum up. We hold for a second, we inhale, we exhale, and we roll the spine back down, slowly. You want to feel every bit of your spine touching to the floor. And then lastly, we want to allow the bum to touch down. If you feel that your head is tilting up as you're rolling up or down, just simply put a pillow behind your head, because we always want to have the chin in line with our spine. I'm going to show you a few more, and we'll do 10 of these. Take your time. We inhale, tuck the pelvic floor. Exhale, go up. We inhale at the top position. We exhale and roll the spine down, slowly, not allowing the bum to touch before the spine goes completely on the floor. Inhale again at the bottom. Exhale, and we go all the way up. We want to feel the legs working, the feet working, of course, and we want to also feel the abdominals starting to get more active. We exhale, and we go down. If you have trouble with your breathing, remember, every time we move, we exhale. We inhale from our nose and we exhale from our mouth. Finish your 10 and we're going to move on to the next exercise. The next exercise is called the 90-90. We come into a seated position, and actually let me show you how to find the ideal position. You bring your feet in front of you and then you just drop them to the side. I'll turn this way so you can see. This is the 90-90 position. If this feels very difficult, you do not have to force yourself to be in this position, but simply you can adjust your feet, okay, to find a more comfortable position, or you can put a block or a pillow underneath your butt so you can sit on it, so you're a bit raised, so it's not too hard on your hips. Now from this position, we'll do something very simple. We're going to go from side to side, like that. Do not force your body to go all the way down, okay? But allow it to release into the position slowly, slowly. We're going to do 10 of these reps, and then what we're going to do, we're going to add another motion to this exercise. So, as we are here, we're going to fold the body forward, having the hands here to support us, keeping the chest tall. We inhale in this position, we exhale and we come up. I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see how my body looks, so you understand how to move in space. So we're here, we inhale, we have a tall body. Think about your body bending from the hip, and we inhale, we exhale, keep the chest up high, and we fold towards the shin. We inhale here, exhale and come back up. We're going to repeat this 4 more times. We inhale, exhale and come forward. Inhale here, exhale, come back, and repeat for 3 more times, and then we switch sides. We go to our other leg and we do the same thing for 5 times. We inhale, remember to keep your body tall, so somebody's pulling me up towards the ceiling, and we bend through the waist. Inhale, exhale and fold. Inhale here, exhale, come back up. Imagine this is your upper body and this is your lower body. This is the motion you want to do. There is no bend in your spine. The spine is completely strict and moves forward from the hip and back up. Finish your 5 reps and come back to a seated position. We are going to cross our legs like that. Okay, so what we're looking here is not how far you can pull your leg over like that, like I am doing right now, but we are looking for the knee to be resting down to the ground or on your leg. So if this is too challenging for you, do not push yourself and get injured, but just move your leg on the floor like that. It's not a problem. We're still achieving the same thing, okay? From here, what we want to do, we want to do the same exact motion. So we're going to fold the body in half from the hips forward and backwards. So we inhale, we exhale, and we walk the hands like that, pushing the hips down to the floor, keeping the spine flat. Okay, I'm going to now turn to the side so you can see what I am doing. Trying to keep my knees down to the floor. Inhale, and I'm going to fold from my waist. Exhale, I'm going forward. I am sure you're wondering why we're doing all these butt stretches. Well, guess what? The spine, if our lower back, it feels tight, then we need to release the glutes, and also we need to release our ankles, which we're going to work on next. We go all the way forward and we come back up. Do these 3 more times, and then we're going to move to the next exercise. We are still in the same position, but this time we want to twist the body. So we are twisting the body, bringing the opposite hand on the opposite leg. So if I'm turning towards the right, I'm going to use my left arm on the right knee to help me twist my body. If you notice, I'm keeping my body upright. I don't want to curve the spine. Okay, let me show you from the side. We're walking our hands behind us, like that. And we push this hand on the knee or the thigh, and we keep the body upright. We inhale, exhale 3 times, keeping the body upright, and then we walk back and to the other side. So the one hand goes behind us, the other hand is on the opposite thigh, and we try to twist the body as much as the body allows us. We inhale, exhale 3 times, and we come back to the center. Repeat 2 more times on each side, and then we're going to add 1 more exercise, which will be our last. The next exercise we're going to do is on our back. We are going to have one leg straight completely and the other leg bent. If you feel pain on your lower back when you lift your leg up straight, of course you can add your arms to assist, okay? We don't want to have any pain on the lower back. Also, if there's pain on the lower back, we need to touch the pelvic floor and push the spine down to the ground. So from here, we want to go with our toes as wide as possible, kind of like monster feet. We want to go into 10 circles to the right, big circles. Now these circles should be happening from the ankle, okay? We don't want the leg to go like that. We don't want the shin to go like that, okay? We want to keep this steady and just focus on stretching the toes and circling the foot from the ankle. And we try to draw as big circles as possible. We do 10 to the right, and then we do 10 to the left. Once we finish that, we're going to go to the other side. I'm going to show the other way to do this if you have lower back pain, where we hold the leg and we try to go as straight as we can. If the leg doesn't want to go straight, it's not a problem. We keep a soft knee. We stretch the toes and then we go all the way around. 10 circles, as big as possible. Maybe you're going to hear a bit of cracking there, clicking and cracking. It's not the problem. That's a good thing, actually. We're trying to give some space in the ankle. So we go 10 to the right and then we go 10 to the left. Of course, there are 1,000,000+ exercises to do for the lower back. I gave you a little taster. Try to do this and come back for more. Thank you for watching.